ITC is changing the world with her technology. ITC is leading the future by her professional manner. ITC is exploring a new era through her creativeness. ITC, the leading manufacturer of audio, video, and lighting products. ITC is made up of the modern headquarters building and 3 independent large manufacturing factories. ITC is focusing on public address system, digital conference system, wireless conference system, video conference system, paperless conference system, HD recording and broadcasting system, central control system, seamless control matrix system, professional sound system, distributed information platform, LED video wall, stage lighting, indoor lighting, landscape lighting, etc. ITC occupies the largest market share in China. Over the years, ITC has always been dedicating to the R&D, production, sales and technical support of audio, video and lighting products. ITC owns a professional team of more than 2,700 staff, among which 400 R&D people, 1,200 workers, 500 sales and 600 technicians. Most of the technicians are senior engineers and have rich experience in the industry. Outstanding professional talents have laid a solid foundation for enterprise development and brand building. ITC owns a larger scale and multi-system product manufacturing base. Multiple products from a complex product system with dozens of series and more than 1,000 varieties. To meet the needs of globalization strategy, ITC has registered trademark for ITC in 50 countries and regions and has united with 100 qualified strategy partners to serve global customers. Top brand as treasure. For more than 20 years, ITC adheres to providing customers with 5-star services. ITC continually improves its service network by establishing technical support in 48 large and medium-sized cities. ITC has built up a complete one-stop service network covering pre-sales, sales and after-sales service, which could efficiently provide customers with comprehensive products and personalized system solutions. In recent years, ITC is gradually becoming one of the most influential international audio, video and lighting brands. ITC products occupy high market shares and enjoy good reputation in the international market. They have been exported to over 100 of countries such as America, Russia, Germany, Australia, etc. With more than 800,000 successful cases worldwide, ITC products have been used in many major projects in the world, such as Singapore Nanyang Polytechnic University, the Turkish World Expo, and the new airport technical project at Lagos International Airport in Nigeria. Design inspiration arises from the concentration of the industry. Craftsmanship results from the pursuit of technology. The process leads to the outcome and the details determine success. ITC targets at realizing Industry 4.0, which aims at highly automation, highly informatization, and highly networking. Also, ITC applies Six Sigma to the company's quality management so as to strictly control the quality in the product design, production, and services. Take the lead as professional. ITC is widely used in various fields. ITC products successfully used in many world event venues, such as Olympic Games, World Export, Asia Games, Universiade, and so forth. ITC products owns a number of appearance patents, software copyrights, utility model patents, invention patents, and ITC is awarded as Guangdong Top Brand, Industrial Top 10 Brands for years. And the company gains the certification of Intellectual Property Management System, Acoustic Engineering Company Comprehensive Technical Grade Certificate. All product series have CE certificate, etc. Reputation spreads worldwide. In the future, ITC will continue to further promote the development of audio and video industry with its outstanding innovation capabilities. ITC will also adhere to the target of building a world-class brand, the mission of leading industry to benefit mankind, keeping on developing its own brand, continually serving the world's customer with high-qualified audio-video television products and services. We are ITC.